Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So now last exercise we should do, right? Few questions are there. 3 or 4 questions are there, right? All of you on the camera now, children. We'll start the meeting. All of you on the camera. Yuvan, Dhananjay, Medha. Shravani, your camera is not working.
It's working, but I'm using the phone, so for me to write down stuff, it'll be hard if I'll on the camera.
To writing, it's tough.
Yes, sir, because I'm in the phone and I'll have to it'll be a bit hard if I on my camera and write. Because
No,
the
notes I'll
font.
send. No, notes, if you're not able to write now, you understand only and write. Okay, you can, but on, if you on your camera, it's only small, this will be there now. Only a small, this part will be there. Your this one, right? But here, so many children are there who on the camera over the phone also. It's not particularly you. Most of the children over here will use their phone but owning their camera. And later on, if you are asking the notes, I'll just send you notes also on WhatsApp if you need. Just not,
Okay, sir.
you can't read only if your camera is on, you can't read at all.
No, I mean I'll have to place the camera down, right? So the font will be a bit small for me to read properly.
Yeah, small bit compared to that, a bit smaller, not much smaller, a bit
I mean,
smaller.
I tried it before when I had a class, and then it did not really work. So that's
Okay.
why I just thought that maybe I should just put off my camera.
Mm-hmm. Or you can understand in the class and later on you can just do by yourself. That is your practice for you. That also you can do. Like, you can practice later on, like by yourself only you do all the questions. You just understand in the class. And later on you do all the questions by yourself, by your own. That will be like preparation for your exams directly. If you do in that way, that is much better, right? Shravani, you understood?
Yes, sir.
So, but you can see, no, while if you don't write, not a problem. You can understand on the class, right? That is fine, no? That you can see, right? See the board. Don't write that time. You understand in the class and later on you can write by your own. And I'll send the notes. That's better, right?
Yes, sir.
So here this is now last exercise, which is pending out here. So in this exercise, they have mentioned whether roots are possible or not. If roots are possible, then you just find the roots over here, okay? So here we can see the question, I believe. Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
And good evening. Arshid, again you went somewhere.
Yes, sir. I went to Tirupati. That's why.
Mm-hmm. So find the nature of roots of the following derivation. If the real root exists, then you have to find them. Otherwise, you not find. Okay, not required to finding them. So here, nature of roots depending on your d value, discriminant. If d is negative, no need to find the roots. If d is positive, you have to find the roots. Okay. So all of you do fast. First one, what you can find the roots for the first question. Check it out. 2x square minus 3x plus
So,
5.
what are we supposed to do?
Yes.
What are we supposed to do?
We have to find the roots of this equation. This equation you can see, first one.
Yes, sir.
2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. We have to find the roots if possible. So, you know the nature of roots, imaginary root, real roots, imaginary roots, you know that.
Not yet, sir.
That's why that depend on d value, okay? So d value is b square minus 4ac. What is a, b, c here? A is the coefficient of x square.
3 is the coefficient of x and 5 is the c.
Yeah, so a is what? What is a over here? A is
2,
2. B is, what is b?
3,
Minus 3. Which sign you should tell?
minus 3 and c
C
is
is
plus
5.
5.
So to find the roots, first you have to find d. If d should be greater than equal to 0. If d is greater than or d is equals to, then only you can find then the real roots will come. Otherwise, imaginary. If d is less than 0, then roots are what? Imaginary, okay?
Okay, sir.
So first compulsory, your d should be greater than 0. So here we found a, b, c, we put the values, we got d is what? Less than less than 0, that is minus 31. Okay. So in this case, first question here, D is less than 0. So roots are what? Imaginary. No real roots. Or you can write imaginary roots. Okay. So no need to find the roots over here. If you want to write, you should write in this way. 3 plus minus root of minus 31 divided by 4. But this part we can't write anything because this is imaginary. So we can't find the roots. Clear? If you want to write, you can write in this form. But this is what? Imaginary roots. Okay. Now similarly, do question number 2 now. So Harshit, you may not understand the root value. Minus b plus minus root plus minus root d divided by 2a, correct?
So can you repeat?
This root formula minus b plus minus root d divided by 2a, how it is coming and all, you're not understanding, right?
Sir, I think you explained one time that D is equals to B square minus 4AC.
That is here. That is discriminant. That will tell only the nature of root. Whether roots are real, equal, or like imaginary, like that it will say. That's all.
Yes, sir, I remember I attended the first class.
Yeah. So like that only we should think. Now second question here is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4. So A is 3. B is minus 4 root 3. C is 4. Okay. So second question, find D over here. B square minus 4 is here. You will get answer as 0. Here you will get answer as what?
sir.
0. Okay. So here by the help of this we got it as 0 means what? If D is equals to 0, then roots are real and equal. Means answer will come real and both answer will be same. Okay. So how to find roots? So see, this is the formula Harshit over here. Minus b plus minus root of d divided by 2a. Okay. Minus b plus minus root d divided by 2a. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we have to put here what is a, b, c. We have already having with us a, b, and c. We are just putting the values and getting the answers. Both answer will be same because d is equals to 0. If it is greater than, then answer will come as what? Both answer will be different. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Both answer will be different. Okay. Okay. Is it clear, Harshit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if it is clear, write the third one answer. Third one answer, if it is exist, write the answer in chat box. If it is not exist, that also you write. All of you write third one, children. Third one, someone says you've done, right? Okay. Those who have not done, this third one, message me, all of you. Solve the third question. And send. All of you solve the third, first and third one. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equals to 0. Harshit, on your camera. Ivan Karthik, can you speak something? Ivan Karthik, can speak or what? You can't speak also. Ivan. I didn't receive a single answer from anyone for the first and third one. Meda Hansini has sent something. Is that is okay. Virat, you're all of you are just sending the answer for third one, right?
Yes, sir.
Imagine root is coming. D is less than 0 is coming.
Yes, sir.
So B square is 36 minus 4AC. 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32. So 36 minus 32 is 4. The 4 is less than 0. Harshit?
I did something wrong, sir.
Because b square is 36 and 4ac is 32. 36 minus 32 is would be what? 4. The 4 is greater than 0. The roots are different we'll get. Okay.
Sir, b square minus 4ac is 12, right?
Yeah, sorry, 12, correct. Because 4ac is 24. So b square minus 4ac is 12. And lastly, answer we get it as 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. So let me check the answers who got it correct. Okay, Stravani has told 2x minus 3 and x minus 1. How it came, Stravani?
Sir, I did split in the middle term, sir.
Splitting the middle term. How we can split over here? We can split.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what you can split. See, product is 6x square, right?
Product is 6 and sum is minus 6. So we can do minus 2x minus 3.
See, sum is 6x square.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, product is 6x square and sum is minus 6x. What you can write? Tell me once again. This one and this one.
Sir, I wrote it as 6x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3.
Means you meant to
And
say
then
minus 2x and minus 3x is a splitting term, right?
Yes, sir.
If you multiply, answer will come correctly. But if you add, the answer will come wrong. Add this both. What is the answer, Stravani?
Sir? Oh,
If you
yeah.
add, answer will come as minus 5x, not
Yes,
minus
sir.
6x.
In that case, I did something
Yeah.
wrong.
So you can't split the middle term actually if you do.
Oh, okay.
So you have to do by this method only for this question.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 2. See, in the question number 2, this is very easy question, okay? Here you have to find the value of k in which they have given the roots are equal, having 2 equal roots. In this, roots are what? Equal. If roots are equal, what is the value of d? Harshit? If roots are equal, right now I told if roots are equal, d is what? Greater than 0, less than 0, or equal to 0?
Equal to 0.
So d is equals to 0 you put, and from there only you'll get the answer directly for k. So you know ABC in the first equation. So b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. From there we'll get the value of k. So a is 2, b is k, and c is 3. So if you do b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, you'll get the value of k. Children, both the question solve me and just send the answer for both the question. Don't say 1-1. Both you solve at a time and put comma over there between the answers. And if you're not getting, you tell me, I'll solve and just show you over here.
Sir, are we supposed to find k value?
Yes, in both the question. Dhananjay, what is the value of a in second equation?
K.
Okay, A is K. What is B?
Minus 2K.
And C is 6, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then you do question number 3 if you are done. Third one you can start. Medha, you can speak, right? Your mic is working.
Yes, sir.
See how we get A is equal to K and B, how we get B is equals to minus 2K?
Sir? B
In
is
the
co-
second equation here, in the second equation,
yeah.
how we get B is equals to minus 2K? B is equals to
By multiplying, sir. So K and X.
okay, multiplying what we will get, just tell me. On multiplying, what do we get?
So we get X
Here, don't see
K.
down. See the directly here only.
I done.
Screen, don't see down.
Kx square.
Again, you're seeing down. I'm saying don't see
Sir, I
down.
done here. No, sir. So
Don't do. Here screen is there, no. Tell the answer.
okay. Minus 2Kx
Huh.
plus 6.
Okay. So what is the value of A here?
So A will be X, sir. Means 1.
A is 1. Okay. Then B is
2 minus 2.
minus 2. What about C? C is
6.
this correct? Now you match what you have done down. You match ABC is correct. Now you see what you told that is correct. Now you check.
Sir, I had the doubt in second question. Like after finding b square minus 4ac, we get a quadratic equation, sir. But in that the constant is not there, sir.
Okay, I'll tell you. Wait. Yes, tell me, Hansini, it's correct. What you told A, B, C.
So B is minus 2.
First you tell
X.
A. A you told 1. How A become
Yes.
1?
A
A is 1 or K?
K, sir.
Right now you did correctly. How become wrong? Then this one here.
Yes, sir. By Hari.
A is equal to K, B is equals to minus 2K. We should see only coefficient of X square. So
Yes.
K X square coefficient is K. Only K you should write. Coefficient of X, that is 2K. Don't write coefficient of Kx and all. And constant term. Now you see the answer, Shreyashi. See what I have done here. See, this much is clear, no? A is K, B is minus 2K, C is 6. So B square minus 4AC, we got this answer is correct. Where, which line you are not understanding? First, second, third, fourth. Where part? Which part? Which line is not clear, Shreyashi? Tell me. First, second, third, or fourth? It's very easy. Simply multiply 4K square is minus 24K is equals to 0. And K
Yes,
is equal to 0 and K is equal to 6. That's all.
understood, sir. I believe. Yes, sir.
Understood.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes, sir.
got K is equals to minus 6.
K is equal to how minus 6 will come? K minus 6 equal to 0. So K is equal to 6 only will come. No. How minus 6 will get? K is equals to only 6, right? Because here is minus 24K. So it's if you take common 4K, it will come as K minus 6 only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now question number fifth one. Third, fourth I have not done here, I think. See question number fifth. You can just try whether it can possible or not. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters square? Is it possible or not? Check it out.
Sir, then should we use the X and Y for this, sir? Because area is also. Oh, no, no.
Let something. What is given that you try once.
Yes, fine.
Sir, how would we do this? Sir, you're on mute.
Hello.
Sir, how would we do this?
See here, what is given? The data we find first. What is data given over here? See, is it possible to rectangular plot perimeter is 80. What is perimeter?
2L plus B.
So 2 into L plus B is given as 80. It means that L plus B is what? How much? 40. Correct? This much is given from first. Now area. Area is given as 400. So area is length into breadth, that is 400. So two things you know, this one and this one. By this you can't understand whether we can find this or not. We can find length or breadth or not by the help of this two.
We can, but how do we form this thing? Quadratic equation.
Your wish, anything you can do. Either you can do L is equals to 40 minus B. This L value you can put in this equation. You'll get one quadratic equation. So many ways are there to solve. Or
Okay.
you can take B is equals to 40 minus L. Then you can put the value of B. Or from here, L is equal to 400 by B, you can take. So many ways are there to solve. What is there? Any one equation you put in the other over.
Okay, sir.
So Sreyashi, you are asking something. Now you ask, what is your doubt?
I understood, sir, how to do. We have to substitute the values.
Monish, is it possible?
What, sir? Can you repeat?
I'm saying that question number 5, is it possible to find length and breadth? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I'm saying that in question number 5, is it possible to find length and breadth?
So just a minute. I'm just thinking about it.
Sir, I have sent you the answer.
Yeah, I've seen. It's correct. Stravadi, it's clear. You understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, but I'm getting two values for X.
X here is L and B. So
Yes, sir. When I do the quadratic equation, I'm getting.
what do you form the quadratic equation? What you are doing first? You tell me. From first you have taken L is equal to 40. What you have taken? L is equal to 40 minus B or something else? What you have taken first? You tell
L
me
is
that.
equals to 40 minus B, and then I substituted in the area formula.
Okay. 40
And then
minus B. So in place of L you are putting, right? So 40 minus B into B.
Yes, sir.
is equals to 400. So from
Yes,
here
sir.
you got 40b minus b square is equal to 400.
Yes, sir.
So you can write here b square minus 40b plus 400 is equals to 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
So splitting, what are you getting on splitting? It's very easy now, splitting. 20 will get, right? Minus 20b
Yes,
minus
sir.
20b.
Yes, sir.
So b is equals to, answer is what? Length b is equal to 20 comma 20. If b is 20, the length is also 20. That's all.
Yes, sir.
So that's all. What is there in that? Very easy question.
I've done a small error mistake at the end.
So this exercise is finished almost. Okay. So see, we have done here. So square is also rectangle. Okay. So if so, find the length and breadth. So this is 20, 20. We got the answer. And both sides are equal. Length and breadth both are equal. So square is also, you can say, rectangle. Okay. That's all. Next question number 4 is also given. Oh, okay, fine. See, this question number 4 is possible or not. Question number 4, all of you see now. So is it possible? It is is the following situation possible? If so, determine their percentages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So is it possible to find their ages? Just try to understand the question and write the data. What is given in the question? As per that, can we find present age or not?
We can, sir.
We can find.
We can find, but we don't know if we'll get an A or last.
Okay, Sreshi, tell me. Sum of the age of two friends. First one line only we leave off because that is they are saying we can find it or not. Leave that line. Second line is given as sum of ages of two friends. So what I should write from here? What you should write?
First friend will be X and second friend will be 20 minus X.
Okay. So first friend is X, second friend is 20 minus X. 4 years ago, what is this first friend age? 4 years ago.
4 years ago, it will be X minus 4 and 16 minus X.
Is it clear to everyone, children? 4 years ago, how 16 minus X is coming? And X minus 4. You should remove 4 from this first one and second one. Okay. So on multiplying this both, okay, we have to get 48. Is it possible or not? That you have to check. Whether we can, after multiplying, can we get anyhow we can get 48? We have to check it out. Okay. So first you multiply inside, what will get? 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equals to 48. So x is here, x is here. So minus x square minus 64 plus 20x is equal to 48. Everything you bring to left hand side, right hand side, they become x square minus 20x and plus 6, 4, 10, 1, 1, 2 is equal to 0. Is it possible to find here? It is coming same only, just see the equations coming same. X square or different equation we are getting, check. X square minus 20, huh?
I got the same equation.
Dhananjay got the same equation, x square minus 20x plus 112 only. Dhananjay, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Same equation you got, x square minus 20x plus 112 or something different?
112.
So is it possible to find x value from here? Who will tell me? Can you find the value of x? 112, can you bifurcate into two parts? This one, 20x, can you bifurcate into two parts? So better you can find it or not, you can check by this also. B square minus 4ac also you can check. So b square is 400 minus 4 into 1 into 112. I don't think it's possible because
Yes, sir.
answer is coming in negative. So negative values there means you can get imaginary roots. So this is not possible. We can't find the present ages and all. Okay. Is it clear how to do? Because if you try to split also, you can't split. So better than that, you can write. You can find the D formula first. Okay. D, and then we'll get to know whether we can do it or not. That's all. Next question I've done. Let me check. We have not done. So now we should do a question, extra questions based on this. Okay, we have to do now extra questions. So NCERT part got over. Now we have to do extra questions based on this. Okay, based on this and what problems and all we should do. So extra question. No. This is not there. I believe this is for. No. See, there is one new concept. It's not there in NCERT. Actually, we have not having this question. Okay, but if people have taken standard and all, so you should know what is upstream and downstream. You know what is upstream and downstream? Dhananjay, you know, you have read in this quality education what problems upstream and downstream questions and all.
No, sir.
Okay, you have not read this. Okay, fine. So I'll tell you what is upstream and what is downstream. If you are, so this is a word problem where they can ask the question based on upstream and downstream. The concept is not much different. Oh, see, only you should remember that upstream. This we're applying in boat. Okay. So if this is a boat and here is a water flowing like this. Okay. So stream, or you can say water. I'm writing here. This case is water. You can say water, or you can write here what? Stream. So flowing towards this side, flowing this side, this direction. Okay. So there's two cases. Case one, I'm writing here case one and case two. So this is fixed over here that water is flowing in which direction? This direction. Okay. Water is flowing in this direction. It's clear. Water or stream is flowing from left to right. You can see, right? And now boat, how boat is moving here, that try to understand. There are two cases over here. Boat may be going to the same direction, like this side only. Boat also is going like this side only. And water is also like same direction, correct? So case two, I'm just taking it as same direction. Boat and water in same direction. And case one, opposite direction we consider. Opposite direction. What is an opposite direction? Your water and boat. Water is moving towards left to right. Boat is moving towards left, right to left. Clear? Difference you understood in case number 1 and 2, all of you?
Yes.
So once again, I'm repeating over here. In case 1, water and stream are in opposite direction, okay? And same direction is business what? Water and boat are in same direction. So next question is, boat is always considered as u, okay? Speed of boat is what? U. I'll write here, u is what? Speed of boat. U is speed of boat. After that, V is your speed of stream, or you can write water flowing. V is speed of water, or you can say stream. Clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So if you check here, boat, like boat and water in the first case, in opposite direction, right? If you see opposite direction, you can write here U minus, sorry, V minus U should write, correct? No, U minus V, what you've taken U. So your opposite direction means U minus V will come. To overall speed, if you see, and here speed is coming what? U plus V. Why we are adding and why we are subtracting? Try to understand over here. Why we are adding and why we are subtracting over here. So if you see here, in the first case, you only just think if you're swimming in the river, okay? So if direction is opposite to water, you can go slowly, right? You can move slowly in the river, correct? In the second case, if both direction are in same direction, in that case, what happens? This speed will be get added up. Clear? Why it is coming addition over here? Why subtraction? And we have to subtract it from where? From boat only. So remember, boat should be always either equal to the water or more than water. Speed should be of boat should be what? More than water only, no? Otherwise, if speed of water will be more, then what happens? Boat will flow off. So whatever we do, no, the boat speed minus stream speed you should do, and boat stream plus what? Speed is of stream. Clear? So U plus V and U minus V you can do. Clear to everyone?
Understood.
And in this case, we name this one as, this is known as the upstream. Upstream means we are going against the water. And down is a name only, down. We are going down means speed will be fast. So this is known as what? Downstream. So in downstream, what we have? Downstream speed is getting added up. In upstream, speed is getting subtracted. Means difference of the stream of boat as well as water. Anyone having doubt, please ask. Monish, you off your camera from long time.
So why
Monish,
you wrote it as upstream and downstream, sir?
what? Tell once again.
So I didn't understand, sir, how you wrote like which one is upstream, which one is downstream.
See, downstream means you are going very fastly. Down means if you are going down, means your speed is getting added up, right? Down means you are going through the water, with water. So you can going fastly. Down, if you go and down means anywhere. Suppose you are driving a cycle. So if you go down means what? It will be speed will be more, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose any slope is there downside, what will happen? Means down if you're going, you without paddling also you can move easily, right? But upstream, what happens? If some any up thing is coming, slope towards upside, then you have to, speed will obviously be lesser. In that way, you can remember downstream like going down and up means going up. So plus and minus you can remember in that way. Okay.
Okay.
So now I'm erasing this first concept over here. Just this one, no answer, I'll remove from here. So in these cases and all, we have to write what is given the question first. Okay. So here is given that a motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour. Okay. See, boat speed, we are taking it as what? U. So you can write here U is equals to 18 km per hour. What is given the question that you write first? In still water. Leave that in still water means there is no still water. Water is not flowing with any speed. Takes 1 hour more to go 24 upstream, 24 km you can write. So distance is Distance is 24 kilometer. Okay.
Sir, what do you mean by 1 hour more, sir?
What do you mean by?
1 hour more. The initial water
Okay.
takes
1 hour more means where more 1 hour? It means 1 hour more is given means they are comparing something, right? Correct? 1 hour more means what? They are comparing something. What they are comparing? Read the question completely. A motor boat whose speed is 18 kilometer in still water. Okay, in still water, how much is moving? 18 kilometer per hour. Takes 1 hour more to go upstream. If it is going upstream, no, it's taking more than 1 hour more. Means different upstream will take what? Obviously longer time, correct? Compared to downstream. So if boat is moving,
This water is in flowing, right? Still water.
still water means there is no water. Still water means water speed is nothing over there. Okay.
Yeah, then if you,
Normally,
then upstream and downstream are same, right?
in that case, upstream and downstream will be same if water is still. Okay. If water is still, then upstream and downstream both are same in that case. But this they have mentioned only as an example, like if boat is there, no, if water speed is not nothing there, there is no speed of water. In that case, boat can move what? 18 kilometer per hour. Clear? That is the only case is mentioned over here. It's clear? Once again, I'm repeating, repeating once again. Repeating once again. This they try to say here that this is the speed of boat. That's all. This is the speed of you. Understood? Means if water is not flowing, this is the normal speed of the boat. That's the main thing they are trying to say over here. Understood, Harshit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if what you are saying, that is correct only. If what boat is moving upstream or downstream, if water is still, both will take same time. That's true. But here they are trying to say here is the speed of the boat is what? 18 kilometer per hour. You only they are saying. Later on they say it's taking 1 hour more, means time. Difference between the time is how much? 1 hour. And distance is how much? 24 kilometer upstream. Then upstream obviously will take long time, correct? So now what we got to know here is U is 18 kilometer per hour, distance is 24 kilometer, and then difference between the time is 1 hour is given. So we don't know here V. V is let the speed of the water, you can write here, see they're asking you to find the speed of stream. So it doesn't mean that speed is 0, right? Because here if you read, still water is mentioned. So you can make the 0 only. So that is not the case. So let the speed of stream be what? Stream be x. Clear? So difference between both the time is what? Is equals to 1, correct? So is equals to 1 should come. But difference between which time? So time formula we have is distance by speed. Clear? So distance is 24 divided by minus 24 divided by. The speed of stream be x. So upstream and downstream you know already. Now we can write here upstream speed, what you can write? U minus V, that is 18 minus x. And downstream what you can write? 18 plus x. Now question arises, you should write 18 minus x and 18 plus x over here, or you can write 18 plus x and 18 minus x. What you should write over here? That is the question, right? Question arises, we should write 18 minus x first or 18 plus x. What we have written, this is correct, or we should write ulta, means 18 plus x first and 18 minus x afterwards. Which one is correct?
What we have already written, sir.
What we have
Because
written,
when-
that is only correct, right? Because
Yes,
if
sir, when
denominator is, yes, tell me, Sreyashi.
when speed will be less, then the time will be increasing, and if the speed will be increasing, then the time will decrease. So we have to
Obviously.
put the time which is lesser in the
Yeah.
second one.
So if your distance is same, okay. So what is the denominator over here? No, what is the denominator? What you have? Depending completely on denominator. If denominator is less, complete part will be more. So this is the correct one, what we have written here. Now we solve and the value for x. So till here, anyone having doubt, you can ask the question if you have doubt anywhere.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
I didn't get it, sir.
You're not getting from starting only?
Like the minus and plus part which you mentioned.
Achha, 18 minus x and 18 plus x, you are not understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
See, in the concept only I told you, the upstream speed is what? U minus v, correct?
Yes, sir.
And downstream speed is what? U plus v, correct? So, what I have written, try to understand down what I have written. US, what is US meaning? US meaning is what, Harshit?
Upstream.
So upstream, what is the speed over here? U minus V. What is U have taken? See, U is 18. We have 18 or not?
Yes, sir.
And minus X, why you wrote? Because speed of the stream we have let is X. That's why written here 18 minus X. It's clear now.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, for downstream, we wrote it as 18 plus X. Because in downstream, we have written here, the speed will be what? U plus V. Clear? Now you are not understanding that why we are just writing this equation, correct? No?
Yes, sir.
So in the question, we have to find the speed of a stream. And one more hint is given, that difference between the time means upstream if you are going, it is taking 1 hour more. Okay. So it means that upstream, what is time? Upstream and downstream difference is only 1. No? Understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
If 1 hour taking more in going upstream, it means that what? Difference between both the timings is how much?
1 hour.
1 hour. So that only we have written here, which will take more time. The upstream will take more time. So we have written upstream time first, then we have written downstream time later on. Okay. Now it's clear, or now also you are having doubt? Tell me.
No, sir. It's clear.
So you have to solve now this much only. Medha, you understood? Hansini?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Monish, what is the answer for X? Did you solve? Monish,
Just doing, sir.
solve and tell me the answer for X.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So once can you solve for x?
Okay, I'm solving now. Wait. See, already solved over here. You can understand here, or shall I solve once again? Wait. I'll just erase and solve once again. Okay, this part I erase. See what we have to do. LCM would be 18 minus x and 18 plus x. Okay. So here we write 24 in bracket 18 plus x minus 24 into 18 minus x is equals to 1. So 24 into 18, right here, don't multiply. Simply you are wasting your time if you multiply. 24 into 18 you write, okay, as it is. Plus 24x minus 24 into 18 and plus 24x whole divided by 18 square will come 324, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus x square is equals to 1. So this will cancelled out over here. This complete part will cancel out, right? So 24x and 24x become what? I got one answer. Someone has, yeah, Dhananjay, you have written, right? 12 and 24. So 48x is divided by 324 minus x square is equals to 1. So you got the answer till here.
Yes, sir. I was confused in the before step. Sir.
This step you got confused.
Yes, sir.
What is there in that? It's simply multiplication only, no, in this step.
Yes, sir. But I mistakenly I got minus, like I put minus 24x also. So that also got.
So x square plus 48x minus 324 is equals to 0. So now product is 324. 324 is the product and sum is 48x. So difference should be 48. So 162, 281, 327, 3933. Okay. So what will come here? Check. 54 and 6 will come. Okay. 54 and 6. So what you should consider here? X square minus 54, sorry, plus 54x minus 6x minus 324 is equals to 0. Okay. So later on, x common you can take, x plus 54 and minus 6, x plus 54 is equals to 0. So x plus 54 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equals to what? Minus 54 or 6. So this is what? Neglected, because the speed cannot be what? Negative, right?
Yes, sir.
So x is the speed of what? Stream. Speed of that's all. How 12 will come here? 12 also put the Dhananjay, right? Why 12?
Sir, actually, I have put the
Achha, upstream,
value.
downstream, both you found.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then 6. 18 plus 6 is 24 then, right? 24 and 12 will come. If you find upstream, downstream, it will be 24 then.
Yes, sir.
This is the value of x. If you find upstream, they ask. So upstream is what? 18 minus 6, that is 12 becomes. And here is 18 plus 6, that is what? 24. The upstream, downstream would be 12 and 24. It's not 6 and 12. Here they asked only speed of stream. That's why we are just what we are doing here.
I have sent 12 and 24 also.
As a 12 and 24 you sent. Then it's correct. I thought 6 and 12. So if you understood this question, I'll just send this worksheet to you people. I'm not having soft copy. Only hard copy I'm having. So if I send you these questions, you try by yourself. And the questions which you have doubt, no, you can ask. Because these all are not NCERT sums. These all are, these all are extra questions what I've done over here. If you need, I'll send all the questions over here. So many questions I have done. So many questions I have done.
Downstream will be there, sir.
What?
In board, upstream and downstream concept will be there.
Yeah, they may ask upstream, downstream. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, that's all for today, children. You can leave for the day. I'll send this PDF only. I'll write here word problems. Okay, PDF will be word problems. Just do all the answer will be there only, but don't try to see the answers. First, you do by yourself. Then you later on you can check. Okay. Okay. Thank you, children. So see you tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you.
Good night.
Sir, we have class tomorrow.
Yeah, today I'm taking classes for this one. No, sir has not taken. That's why I've taken today. So tomorrow is our regular timing, no?
Okay, sir. Thanks, sir.
Okay, bye. बहुत सारा मच्छर खोल दिया ना, बहुत सारा मच्छर आ गया सर। कहोगे तो यहाँ बिछा देंगे, यहाँ बिछा देंगे तो ठंडा नहीं लगेगा ना उसको। हैं? लाते हैं। देखो।
चेंज कर लीजिए, आप पैंट वास्ते एक भी देंगे। उससे क्या करना है?